Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to view your update history on Windows 11 guys. If you are updated Windows Update or Microsoft Update, let's see guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. In here you need to go to Windows Update or left side. And if you're having any updates available to download it guys. You need to be you are up to date and tick mark over here. That's a good thing over here guys. Go to update history and quality updates. You can check net framework update. You can learn about it. What are the updates that are updated in Microsoft, and update for Windows 11 version 22H2. These two updates are I recently updated. This update recently updated guys. And after updates, Windows software removal and intelligence update like this, and definition updates, security intelligence update. You can see whatever updates you are updated guys. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. If you want to uninstall updates, you can also uninstall it guys. You want it able to uninstall some updates, update to you want to back to your original default, no needs of updated. Click on uninstall whatever you don't want it, don't like it. Security update for Microsoft Windows, security update for two of the securities, and update for Microsoft Windows. You don't like the Windows features and you need to uninstall it. That's you get back to original state guys. Close out of here. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.